One of the biggest problems we've had during the Gears workshop is finding a good solution to just quick data logging for the students to use. And I think we finally found the perfect solution. So I want to show it to you and see what you think. All right, so this is the box that we've come up with. It's in an Apache case from Harbor Freight, so it's weatherproof. And we've got a LabJack data logger here. We love LabJack. We try to use it in a lot of projects, and LabJack actually donated these for our workshop students to use. So big thanks to them for that. We've got that hooked up to a Raspberry Pi. We've got a Raspberry Pi touchscreen display, a solar charge controller, a keyboard mouse combo, and the power supply to run the Raspberry Pi from wall power. We also made a little instruction sheet and a piece of software that runs on the Raspberry Pi, as well as provided a pass-through on the box for cables. So students can actually hook their sensors up to this, put a battery in here, run a solar panel and sensor cables in through that, hook the solar panel up so they get to learn how to hook up a solar system and provide power that way, set a battery and whatever else they need in here. Right now I've got a current sensor from EEV blog, the microcurrent, because I'm going to do some current measurement, and just log data. So I think this is a really slick little package, and I want to see what your thoughts are. The simple GUI that we made for this just lets them select up to 4 channels to log and select a data rate, 1 hertz all the way down to I think once per minute, and then it logs the data, shows them what file it's going to and that sort of thing. We can and will make it more complicated with some digital IOs and other things as we progress, but this was done as a test for this year and it was wildly successful. In fact, we used it to perform our calibration lab and some of the other labs as well, including the lab on how to hook up solar power charge controllers. So my question is this something that we should be putting in the classroom? Is this something that you would put in your classroom? This would probably not be an inexpensive unit by the time we have the LabJack and all of the, the Pi, the touchscreen, the charge controller, everything, and put it all together. But this is the most seamless experience we've had with students being able to focus on the project and the sensors and have the logging taken care of. They didn't have to worry about learning SSH or writing a Python code. I would love for them to do that, but we have to be realistic with the time we have available during the workshop. We also added the functionality where these report to our FieldWatch dashboards, so students could log in remotely and see the data in real time, which was an interesting addition. And honestly, we're using these around here just for around the shop projects. I'm getting ready right after this actually to take this one and log power consumption on an instrument. So what do you think? Do you want these in your classroom? Let us know down below. I'm curious to hear what you have to say.